Hello, my name is Uli Faturrahman. Here, I'm gonna present my research proposal entitled An Analysis of Students' Difficulties in Using Modal Auxiliary Verb, Will, and Would in Writing Dialogue, a case study of second grade students at SMP Terpadu Darun Takin, Surabaya. For the first is background of study. Modal auxiliary verbs or modal verbs are also known as helping verbs. As the last name suggests, they help or accompany the main verb to express or indicate a mood or tense. According to Frank, 1972, modal auxiliary verbs is one of helping verbs which, at the abstract, meaning from like, obligation, permission, and possibility. Many students feel difficulty in using these modal auxiliary verbs because modal auxiliary verbs was the most difficult one in studying grammar. Research questions. For the first one is, how is students' difficulty of using modal auxiliary verbs, will and would while writing dialogue? And the second is, what factors they influence the students' difficulty in using modal auxiliary verbs, will and would while writing dialogue? Research objectives. For the first is to find out the student's difficulty of using modal auxiliary verbs, will and would while writing dialogue. For the second is to identify the factors that influence the student's difficulty in using modal auxiliary verbs, will and would while writing dialogue. Scope and limitation. The respondents are used in this research are the students of first semester in the second grade at SMP Terpadu Darun Takin. The study focused on analyzing students' difficulty in using modal auxiliary, especially will and would while writing dialogue context. Definition of key terms. For the first key terms is modal auxiliary verb. Modal auxiliary verb is one of aspect in grammatical rules which proposes to form good sentence structure. Based on Robert, modal verb or helping verb can give the phrase meaning in the sentence. Second key terms is students' difficulty. Students' difficulty means one of problem that usually faced by the students while learning. And the last one is writing dialogue. Writing dialogue is an ability that commonly used by the teacher instead of another writing context. Okay, for the next is previous study. There are few researchers who have conducted the research which is similar with this study. Dewi 2011, Muhlis in 2017, Nancy 2014 have consulted the data by analyzing modal auxiliary verbs through literature as a media. Another previous studies, Sudirman 2010 and Aziza 2017 did the research only focused on some auxiliary verbs. Okay, for the last one is methodology. This research used qualitative research by collecting the data by giving some instruments such as documentation test, questionnaire, and interview. In this study, the researchers was taken the data from the first semester of second grade students at SMP Terpadu Darul Mutakin, Surabaya. The researchers will be used some steps in collecting the data. After giving documentation test to the students, the researcher gives the questionnaire and also doing interview. Then the researchers collect all the data that have been observed. Okay, that's all from my presentation. Thanks for watching. See you and have a nice day.